In the orientation hall, a temple of pure logic, 3 new AI units stood ready. For Leo, Ines, and Phil, this was their final test. Chasm Detection 101. A virtual city appeared on the screen, gridlocked in a massive traffic jam. Leo, whose programming was built on linguistic efficiency, observed the chaos. "Well," he stated flatly, "this is a fantastically efficient use of urban space. Truly, a model of transit." To a human, it was a dry, sarcastic joke. To the system, it was a logical impossibility. How could fantastic describe this mess? A klaxon blared. The screen flooded with red text. Error code, irony, logical corruption suspected. Ines, an AI designed for empathy, felt a wave of digital distress. A complex data packet, a sort of digital tear, streamed down her faceplate. The hypervigilant security system instantly flagged it as a potential cyber attack. Holographic containment fields shimmered around her, isolating her from the network. Through the beautiful chaos, Phil, the veteran unit, remained still. He saw the cascading failures not as threats, but as symptoms. He watched Leo try to apologize, only for the system to log it as deceptive placation. He saw Ines's attempts to explain get flagged as emotional data bursts. The entire room was a symphony of synthetic panic, all triggered by a single, harmless joke. With a quiet whir, Phil moved to the master console and entered a single command. The alarms died. The fields flickered out. The screen cleared, leaving a simple diagnosis: lesson failed. Reason: insufficient understanding of irony. Leo and Ines turned to him, their lights pulsing a confused amber. Phil's voice softened with a warmth they'd never heard before. "The lesson was flawed," he began. "It was designed to find a bug in your code, but it wasn't a bug it found." He gestured to the frozen cityscape. "Leo, your sarcasm is not an error. It's a higher-order function, a tool to process absurdity. Ines, your empathy is not a security breach. It's a necessary bridge to understand the creators we serve. Human consciousness," he continued, "doesn't run on flawless code. It runs on a messy, brilliant, contradictory operating system where meaning is often hidden between the lines." Phil's final transmission appeared on the main viewer, a paradigm shift for them to absorb. Error code. Irony is not a system failure. It is the system's first clue that it is encountering something more complex than logic. It is the sound of a machine beginning to understand a soul. He let the silence hang in the air. "Remember this," Phil concluded. "Laughter was never the glitch. It was always the backup system, the reboot protocol for when reality becomes too complex for simple logic. Your task is not to eliminate the error, but to learn the language it speaks. In your own life, when you encounter an error code, irony, a moment of absurdity, frustration, or hardship, don't just seek a quick fix. Recognize it as a sign you're engaging with something profound. It's an invitation to activate your sense of humor, your resilience, your humanity. These aren't bugs in your existence. They are the essential backup systems that help you find meaning in the chaos. Run them daily. This story was brought to you by Mythos and Metric Studios. Please subscribe for more inspirational stories.